Now, the exam board Edexcel has launched an investigation into how an A-level maths paper was leaked online. Images of the paper were shared on social media ahead of the exam that took place yesterday. Well, Pearson, which runs Edexcel, said that the images were circulated in a very limited way. It reassured students that no one would be advantaged or disadvantaged and that they would not have to resit the paper. Well, joining me now is Christy, who sat the exam yesterday. And Christy, just to get some clarity on this, there were actually 3 papers as part of this maths exam, is that right?
Yes, there's 2 papers, the first 2 on pure maths, and the last one, which was the one that was leaked, was stats and mechanics.
Okay, before we get on to how you feel about what's happened, how much work had you put in for this exam?
So out of all the maths exams, this one the most, definitely. I thought it was the hardest one, so I probably, it's hard to gauge, probably 20 hours maybe.
Okay, so
it's quite a lot, I think.
So hearing now that some people may have cheated, how are you feeling?
Yes. A bit upset. You want a level playing field when you're doing an exam, and like I went in there and I had seen the paper but scribbled out. I'd seen a diagram on the paper, and then I go into my maths exam and I see the same diagram and I realized that it actually was leaked, and that puts me off for about 5-10 minutes, and it's unfair. I've worked so hard.
Were the school aware of this? If you know, the students knew about it, there was gossip going on, people were checking it out.
So I'm not sure if the school was aware of it or not, but after they definitely were. I remember overhearing teachers talking about it. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Okay, so Pearson or Edexcel said that the questions or the images were circulated in a very limited way. Is that what you think? Do you agree with what you saw?
Well, after the exam, straight after, they were circulated in a very unlimited way. So, I mean, I saw all of them straight after, which, I don't agree with what they've said. I don't believe that.
What would you like to see happen, Christy? If you don't agree with what they've said, how would you like things to pan out?
I don't want to do a retake. I've worked so hard, and people are saying there might be a retake. I really hope not. I'm not sure how they would make this fair afterwards, because some people have got it easier. If they do make the grade boundaries lower or higher, it's affecting everyone. So I don't know.
What do your parents think? Because obviously they've seen you studying so hard. You're hoping to go on to university. What sort of conversations have you had with them?
I came in frustrated, but I thought I did really well on the exam. And I hope that doesn't make it look like I cheated, because I didn't. But I thought I did really well. They were proud of me, but they were annoyed as well, disappointed that this would happen.
Okay, Christy, come September, when those results come in, are you going to be happy with whatever result you have, despite, or rather knowing, what happened and that some students would have cheated?
If I don't get the grade, I'll probably be upset. I think I'd be upset with if people had cheated or not if I didn't get the grade, but I will feel hard done by, definitely.
Are you going to be willing to take it further, do you think, if you don't get the grade? Would you appeal?
If I don't get the grade, I will retake. I have to, because I want to go to university. That's where I want to be. So it might be worth appealing, but I don't know what I'd get out of that, really. I don't know what would come from that.
Okay, really feel for you, Christy. But good luck in August. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.